Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla is moving up to the resistance today. So we are up $10. That's 1.08%. We closed at 932. Post-market, we are down 25 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So yesterday we were at the bottom, we're close to the bottom of the congestion zone at, remember, 894. And today we are right back to close to 940. We made a higher low and we even went over 940 during the day, but then came back in. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. How did that play out today? We have a stronger volume during the first hour of the day, like it happened in the past days. So came up and then came back down and then went sideways and touched it again. So we touched 940 again, and look at this perfection here. So we touched 940. We were at 939.10. And then we came back down a little bit, and we seem to be using as support 929 also. Is it 929 exactly? Yeah. Let's say 930. So we paused a little bit on the support at 930 during the intraday. We see on the hour chart that stochastic is even higher. So we are at 70. And DMI also crossed over bullish on the 1 hour chart. So this move, So this move right here was a significant move on the hourly chart. This move since February 3rd, approximately, convinced the DMI that the stock is really moving up a little bit. But we still have this resistance at 940 that we need to cross. It is starting to look like we are also in an ascending triangle. So we have one touch right here. We have a second touch right here. This was not really a touch. This was almost outside, but then we came back inside and we have here a perfect touch here. So we have 3 touches that are really in line with this. This is just interesting information. Unless we cross 940, this support won't mean a thing. Let's go see the indicators a little bit. We had this support line here to look at the increase in stochastic. So sometimes you have to adjust those lines a little bit. So this line has been broken, but this does not mean that we are going sideways necessarily. It does not mean that we are going down necessarily. It could just mean that there's a slowing down of the trend. So maybe we are slowing the increase a little bit because, let's face it, the increase was pretty steep from this point right here to right where we are now. So maybe now we are just decreasing the speed at which we are going up. And we have our MACD crossover when the blue line crossed the orange line. So this is good. Nothing else really has changed. RSI is still below 50. But all in all, this is confirming 940 as a resistance, and we confirmed 894 and basically 879 as support. So we are still in this congestion zone. We are getting closer to this downward resistance. Maybe in the next week, we might be seeing some things move here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.